Why does my skin suddenly look rougher, older, more lined? What actually changed? Some of the things you know, because there's hormone shifts that lower your skin's resilience. One day we're doing fine, and the next day the skin's elasticity just isn't performing the way it's supposed to. That means what you used to tolerate, you can no longer tolerate, and it creates inflammation. And just a little side note, there's a lot of treatments out there that are creating inflammation. So how do we get calm, expensive looking skin, and how do we calm that redness and what I called the flare? Most of you are just making it worse. You're adding more in there. You're putting more on the fire. You're doing more exfoliation. You're doing that CO2 laser. You're doing more actives. You're doing more peels. I've got the high performance of everything. We're taught that tingling means really good. I don't know about you, but I was doing some Mac Daddy TCA peels way back in the day, and if it didn't burn, especially around here and on my neck, hey, it wasn't working. Tingling means irritation. It also means inflammation. You don't need more like, let's go get correction, let's go get a peel, let's go get laser. You need to actually balance the skin and get the barrier calmed down. And this is why I created the biobarrier repair system. I talk about it a lot because from a sense of not only because it's like super fabulous skincare that we use on thousands of people every year, it really is the first emulsifier-free, oncology-safe barrier repair delivery system. And what's been happening is your mother's skincare doesn't work anymore. And by that, I mean, it really doesn't work because it's surface. And what we're developing and what we're looking at is skincare that goes deep below the surface. Correction of skin without balancing it out and making sure that the visible signs of aging are slowed down is not correction. So when you go and have a heavy duty peel or a heavy duty laser or heavy duty anything, what ends up happening is the skin has to spend so much time recovering that the visible signs of aging, it might glow for a year, it might glow for a year and a half to 2 years. But what ends up happening after 4 years is that it will automatically become more aged. I don't even know another word for it, but you're going to look older. The treatment that you're getting needs to take into consideration the fact that your skin doesn't need to be inflamed as we age. This is how we get skin that is calm. This is how we get skin that looks expensive. And here's the part that nobody ever talks about at all. I need you to do a 72-hour at least reset and a biobarrier reset. And this is what I mean is we remove all stimulation. If you're going to do anything, maybe LED, red light therapy, no acids, no retinoids, no scrubs, no aggressive microdermabrasion devices or anything like that. We want to rebuild what's called the lipid communication. So I want the ceramides to be able to go down deep and hydrate the skin deep down in the dermis so that the skin can now start to get healthy again. It's not your mother's skincare anymore. It's delivering deep into the skin. And when you're adding other things to this delivery system like NAD+, which I love, it is if you haven't followed along with me, there's a video all about that, but it is fabulous because it speeds up the cell energy. So like an Energizer bunny for the skin. I want to say you want to seal the energy of the skin. You want to seal the skin without heavy duty like emulsifier creams like your mother's and your grandmother's. These heavy duty creams, these heavy duty whatever, they do nothing but hurt the fragile barrier because all you're doing is holding in dry skin. You're not repairing the dry skin, you're holding it in. What you'll notice, like really, it's truly amazing, is within 72 hours, the redness starts to reduce, even in rosacea clients. The tightness softens, the light reflection, you'll go, oh, I'm not looking quite as tired as I was. Not because we suddenly anti-aged you, as a lawyer came in the other day and said, there's no such word as anti-aging, it's all false. And I'm like, okay, tell that to us that are in that whole longevity world. It's working because we calmed your inflammation. Your face should feel quiet. All of a sudden it exhaled. That's how you want it to feel. This is biobarrier repair, and this is how we get skin that looks calm. It looks, you can say expensive, you can say whatever you want, but it's skin that is healthy, glowing, and for most of us, like I'm wearing makeup to do a video, but I don't really love wearing makeup. And most of the time I go without it. If your skincare routine feels like it's punishment, then something is wrong with that. So honestly, the whole routine with lasers, yes, you might get some glow a year from now, 6 months, but we don't do skin drama. I don't like it. I like the standards of keeping skin healthy, keeping it non-toxic, keeping it so that it looks glowy and fabulous and you love putting your makeup on. If your skin feels tighter, rougher, or more reactive lately, comment reset and tell me which one you're dealing with, whether it's tight, red, or textured, and I'll tell you what I'd adjust first, because once your barrier stabilizes, your glow will come back. Thank you for watching. I'm Nancy with Skin Diva Labs, and don't forget, check out our next video, and thanks for the follow.